Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Legends Arceus on PC. First, you'll need to download a Nintendo Switch emulator. Make sure to pick one that is well regarded for its stability and compatibility. Before installing, check that your computer's specifications, like RAM and processor, meet the emulator's minimum requirements for a smooth experience. This initial setup is crucial for enjoying the game. Once your emulator is ready, you'll need to obtain the Pokémon Legends Arceus game file. Remember to always acquire game ROMs legally from your own purchased copies. Next, dive into the emulator's settings. You can tweak graphics, resolution, and performance options to find the perfect balance for your system. Don't forget to map your controls, whether you prefer a gamepad or keyboard, for comfortable gameplay. To ensure the best possible experience, regularly update your graphics drivers. This often provides significant performance boosts and fixes potential bugs. Don't be afraid to experiment with various emulator settings. Sometimes a small adjustment can make a big difference in frame rate or visual quality. If you encounter any issues, online communities and forums are excellent resources for troubleshooting and finding solutions. Now you're all set to embark on your adventure in the Hisui region. Remember to save your game frequently to protect your progress as you explore and catch new Pokémon. Dive into the rich story and discover all the secrets this unique world holds. For those looking to upgrade their home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy while you play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.